Welcome, traveler. Perhaps you didn't come here by accident. Something within you has led you right here. This is where the journey back to yourself begins. A path that is calm, human, and yet full of strength. Enter, take a deep breath, and allow this space to reconnect you with who you truly are. Pause for a moment. Let everything around you fade away. Quiet the world, quiet your thoughts, and listen only to your breath. Because right now, in this very moment, something within you can change. You are not here by coincidence. Your soul brought you here to remember what you once knew long ago and perhaps have forgotten. That your life, your strength, and your balance have always been within you. This space is not ordinary. It is part of a unique program that unites three great paths of human wisdom: Stoicism, Eastern philosophy, and indigenous knowledge. This video will look at your questions, struggles, and challenges through these three perspectives: the view of the Stoic, the Eastern sage, and the voice of indigenous wisdom. It will help you understand why things happen the way they do, and most importantly, how to face them practically with calm, perspective, and strength that rises from within. Here, reason meets the soul, wisdom meets courage, silence meets action. So take a deep breath and let me guide you on a journey that may just change your life. Today, we'll talk about, understand, and learn what to do when we start losing trust in our partner. An old indigenous proverb says, "Trust is not rebuilt with words, but with actions." There is nothing more painful than the feeling that someone you opened your heart to has hurt you, knowingly or not. In just one moment, the world you built together begins to shake. What once felt certain turns into doubt. Trust is like glass. When it breaks, you can try to mend it, but it will never be quite the same. And yet, it can become even more beautiful if you let in the light of understanding and humility. Let me begin with a story. Imagine this moment. The phone rings, one message, one look, and suddenly, something inside you freezes. A quiet instinct whispers, something isn't right. Then comes doubt, first silent, then louder. You start analyzing every word, every gesture, every glance. It's no longer about what your partner did or didn't do. It's about the fact that your inner sense of safety has collapsed. And when safety disappears, love struggles to breathe. Not because it's gone, but because it has nowhere left to live. Now, what is the Stoic view on this topic? It's called distinguish between fact and interpretation. The Stoics taught, we are not disturbed by things themselves, but by the stories we tell about them. Sometimes it's not what happened that hurts, but what we imagine around it. Ask yourself, what do I truly know? What do I only assume? And what might be an echo of old wounds? When the story of mistrust starts playing in your head, pause and take a deep breath. That one breath brings reason back to guide emotion. From the Eastern perspective, this is the presence and truth in breath. In Buddhism, it is said, truth has no color, no side. It is quiet and clear, like water. When we are hurt, we want to find someone to blame. But truth does not appear in noise or chaos. It emerges in stillness and silence. Sit down, breathe in through your nose, and with every exhale, let go of thoughts about the past. Stay here, in the present moment. Where there is breath, there is truth. And truth is the foundation of trust. Not just trust in others, but trust in yourself. Indigenous wisdom calls this the path back to the soul of the relationship. Native tribes believed that every relationship has a soul, and when that soul is wounded, it cannot be healed by words, but by actions and ritual. When trust is lost, you don't rebuild it through explanations. You rebuild it through honesty, in small moments, every day. Speak less, do more. Words grow tired, actions speak clearly. When you say, "You can trust me," show it through calm presence, patience, and truth. Trust is like a garden. It doesn't grow overnight, but if you water it daily with honesty, it blooms again. Now, some practical guidance. Separate feelings from facts. Write down what you know and what you feel. Leave space between the two. Speak about yourself, not about your partner. Saying, "I'm afraid I can't trust you," carries more strength than "you disappointed me." Be patient. Trust doesn't return yesterday. It returns slowly, piece by piece. Be truthful. Don't apologize for your feelings, but don't use them to wound. Truth without kindness hurts. Kindness without truth deceives. Don't seek perfection. Seek honesty. People make mistakes. Relationships end only when honesty ends. Now, let's try a simple exercise. It's called the letter without blame. Take a sheet of paper. Write your partner a letter, not about what happened, but about how you feel. Begin with these words. "I feel pain because I still care. I don't want to blame you. I want to understand right what would help you trust again. What actions, what presence, what truth." Don't write from your head, write from your heart. Then leave the letter for a day or two. When you return to it, read it out loud, not to your partner, but to yourself. You may realize that most of the answers were already within you. And now, the final thought of this video. Trust is a living being. It needs time, care, and the light of truth. Sometimes it never returns in the same form, but that doesn't mean it's lost. Sometimes it transforms into wisdom, into understanding that trust begins not with others, but within ourselves. So next time doubt arises, let it pass through like a wave and ask yourself, where do I need to trust myself more? Because every new beginning starts there. Marcus Aurelius once said, "Never promise loyalty to others until you have first been loyal to yourself." Take a deep breath and let everything you've just heard settle for a moment. Every word, every image that spoke to you today has the power to change the way you see yourself and the world around you. Remember, the strength, the calm, and the balance you're searching for have always been within you. You just need to return to them. If this video inspired you, give it a like and help these ideas reach others who might need them right now. Subscribe to the channel My Life in My Hands so you won't miss the next step on this journey, a journey toward a conscious, peaceful, and powerful life. And if you're ready to go deeper, watch the next video waiting for you right here. Because with every step forward, you discover more of who you truly are. Never forget, your life is truly in your hands.